Brandy. First time running the Cow Harbor, super excited for it. Live down the street in Fort Salonga. Shout out to my grandpa Don Don. He only reads the paper, not sure if you'll see this. Love you.
Hi, I'm visiting from Plantation, Florida. I do this every year. My niece lives here. And in Florida, we have no hills. So this should be really interesting.
We're excited to be here. This is our first time running the 10K Cow Harbor. Super excited. Representing from Lindenhurst. Patchogue. Where are you?
Valley Street.
This is my 4th year running the Cow Harbor race. It's one of my favorite races I've done. It's a kind of world famous deal. I'm really hoping to get below an hour this time. I'm not the fastest runner. Those hills are killer, but this is going to be the year. I'm going to get it below an hour this year.
I'm excited. It's my 3rd time running, and this year I am hoping to do about a 7:30 pace each mile.
We are happy to announce that the Great Cow Harbor 10K race has been designated as the 2022 USA Track and Field 10K Championship.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go
ahead.
Yeah, I was excited. You know, it's a good race and first time being here, and I enjoyed it a lot. It's a hard course. I ran tough, and yeah.
This is my 5th time running Cow Harbor. I've been second, 4th, and so I guess they say 5th time is the charm. This is my last year running professionally, so it feels special to come out, honey, there's my kid, to come out here and win my 3rd national title, and to do it in Northport is it's really special.
Morgan here from Cybersecurity Ventures. Just finished the Cow Harbor run with my daughter, Rosemary. We just did the 2K fun run. I've run the 10K most of my life, so this year it was exciting to do it with my daughter. And we have some Cybercrime magazine crew down here with us.
This has been an extreme challenge. I just wanted to break 40. I'm now 42, and I broke 40. So.
The race was amazing, as always. Back-to-back years. PR this year. Can't wait for next year.
We want to thank all the runners for participating in this year's race and making it a great success.